Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. My name is Bill, and today the deuce is down. I started to make a video about the speedometer. I'm gonna see if I could fix that. Anyway, long story short, the power steering quit working on it, and the reservoir, the power steering reservoir, of course, is completely draining out, and it isn't leaking anywhere. So the seal inside is gone bad again, or something, and I'm sick of it. I'm sick and tired of dealing with this pump. I have attempted and failed to rebuild basically this pump, replacing O-rings and the one seal that I know of. So with that said, the only pump like this replacement, this exact replacement pump from the manufacturer is $700. Now, as I don't know if you all follow, but I got the system from Waterloo Specialties, and they no longer carry it. They no longer have this kit available, so and no parts of it. So that leaves me with this dilemma. The truck is down because I put power steering on it, and I like the creature comforts of power steering. I am right now, paying the price for that. So I'm asking if any of you out there, and I know there's many of you that's put different power steering on their trucks, please let me know with detail what you all did, or if you did something similar, or if you know of a pump out there that like, give me a part number that I can look up and get, or somebody who knows. Anyway, please leave a comment, let me know. And for all of my military friends out there who served, I just want to say happy Memorial Day and thank you for your service, and very much appreciate my freedom that you have allowed me to have. I hope you all enjoy my videos, and if you want to see more of them, give me a shout out. Let me know what I need to do to fix this power steering problem once and for all. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.